Jason Hamlin, Kevin Mornings, Emily Brooks. Good race there. Amber, Ashley Cronin, Todd Moscatelli. First 10K runner should be coming up. Karen Hayna. First 10 runners, first one should be coming up now. Evan Watchimempo. Tabitha Slater. Nice race. There we go.
Good job.
Kyle Williams. Jerry Lane. Cheryl Trampini, Terry Hendrick, Corey Baitland, Jim Gillians, Kate Davenport. Here comes a fast one. Megan Guglia, Jeffrey Capples, Meredith Lake, Jim Yanez and Danny Yanez coming on in. All right, here comes the little guy. Don Hodges, Terry Cossins, Karen Knight, Patty Hayes, Karen Belgall, Danielle Caples, Hammett Belgall, Patty Hayes, Elizabeth Nicholson, Sophia Diaz, Jessica Alba, Nicole Roberts, Elsie Battle, Deb House, James House, Beth Montemayor, Elise Battle, Nicole Roberts, Darren Bishop, Teresa Stanley, coming on in. Darren Bishop finishing up now. Good job. Robert Compton. Ginger Baby. Jameson Spitz, Angela Taylor, Michelle Corbett, Jameson Spitz, yeah. Michelle Corbett, Crystal Scott, Jennifer Torres, Angela Taylor, Linda Wallace. Livingston should be coming right now. There he is, second place. Mike Livingston, 797. William Gallagher, Alana Hudson, Kim Kozlowski, Jessica Anderson. Third place will be Jason Hard coming in. There he is. 6:53 out of Folsom. Great job. Sandy Finnegan, Jennifer Betancourt, James Christian.